Hey there! Has your trusty TV remote suddenly stopped working? Don't worry. I've got you covered with this guide on how to fix your Westinghouse TV remote. Whether it's unresponsive buttons, pairing issues, or something else, I'll walk you through some simple and effective solutions to get your remote working again. Read on to regain control of your entertainment setup. Step 1. Check the batteries. The first thing to do when your Westinghouse remote isn't working is to check the batteries. Often the solution is as simple as replacing old batteries with fresh ones. Open the battery compartment on the back of the remote and ensure the batteries are seated correctly. Install new batteries if necessary, aligning them according to the positive and negative symbols. Once you've replaced the batteries, test the remote to see if it becomes responsive. Step 2. Test the infrared signal. Your Westinghouse remote uses an infrared signal to communicate with the TV. If the remote isn't functioning, the IR signal may be the culprit. To test this, point the remote at a smartphone or digital camera and press any button. If you see a flickering light through the camera viewfinder or phone screen, the IR signal works. If not, ensure there are no obstructions like stickers or dirt covering the IR sensor on the remote or the TV. Clean these areas gently with a soft, dry cloth. Step 3. Reset the remote. Sometimes resetting the remote can solve the problem. To reset, remove the batteries and press each button on the remote once to discharge any residual power. Then reinstall the batteries and try using the remote again. This simple reset can refresh the remote circuitry and resolve minor glitches. Step 4. Repair the remote with your TV. If your remote still isn't working, it might need to be repaired with your Westinghouse TV. Refer to your TV's manual for specific pairing instructions, as the process may vary slightly depending on the model. Generally, you'll need to access the TV's settings menu using a working remote or the TV's physical controls. Navigate to the remote control section and follow the on-screen instructions to pair the remote. Make sure the remote is close to the TV during this process. Step 5. Consider potential interference. Electronic devices and fluorescent lights can sometimes interfere with the remote signal. Ensure no other electronic devices are blocking the path between your remote and the TV. Additionally, try turning off or moving any nearby devices that could cause interference. This could solve any communication issues between your remote and the television. Step 6. Replace the remote. If none of these steps work, your remote may be faulty. Consider contacting Westinghouse customer support for additional troubleshooting or to inquire about purchasing a replacement. Alternatively, universal remotes are available and can be programmed to work with Westinghouse TVs. Be sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions to program the new remote correctly. Getting your Westinghouse TV remote back in working condition can often be achieved with a few simple steps. Whether it's checking the batteries, testing the infrared signal, resetting the remote, or repairing it with your TV, these solutions can help you regain control over your TV experience. Always remember, safety comes first. Ensure you're not handling any electronic parts with wet hands. By following these steps, you can enjoy seamless entertainment and minimize any frustrations associated with a non-functioning remote. Happy viewing.